This evening in Primetime News, details of private agreement between NEPA and the trade wins citrus released. NEPA chairman forced to resign.
Man operating without medical license charged for fraud.
And police take action after assault incident involving a 15-year-old student goes viral. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kalisha Williams. Welcome to those of you watching online on onespotmedia.com. Now, in the financial week, plans are far advanced to generate another 168 megawatts of renewable energy.
And to tell us what's being generated in sports, Spencer Darlington is here with a preview. Spencer.
Thank you very much, Gio. Well, the island's top female jockey has won her court case against the Jamaica Racing Commission. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
Thanks, Spencer. And it's been a lot of rain. Romain is also here with what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Kalisha. And more is expected this weekend. We are expecting shower and thunderstorm activity to continue across the area. We're keeping our smallcraft warning in effect for offshore areas as well.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking, how have you been affected by the heavy rainfall impacting the island this week?
Looking forward to those answers, Kalisha. I've been impacted. You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.